Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Jira Agile boards with system backups, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Jira Agile boards with system backups, start by logging into your Jira instance. Navigate to the Jira administration area. Select the system option from the sidebar menu. In the system section, find and click on Backup System. You'll be presented with options for creating a backup. Choose the type of backup you need. For a complete backup, select the option that includes all application data. If you're looking for a specific project backup, ensure the relevant options are selected. Confirm your selection by clicking the Backup button. Once the backup process starts, it may take a few moments to complete. You will see a progress indicator for the backup operation. When the backup is finished, a download link will appear. Click on the link to download the backup file to your local machine. Make sure to store this file in a safe location. To restore the backup, return to the Jira administration area. Select the System option again, then click on Restore System. Upload your previously downloaded backup file. Follow the prompts to complete the restoration process. Make sure to verify that the restoration was successful by checking the restored boards. Always perform regular backups to ensure your data is secure. Document your backup schedule for consistency in future backups. Your Jira Agile boards are now successfully backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.